Welcome to Joliet Junior College and congratulations on your admission. We're so glad you've chosen JJC to be a part of your academic journey. So, now that you've been admitted, what are the next steps? Follow along as we share what you need to know before you can register and start taking classes. For our admitted students or parents or supporters of these students, begin by visiting www.jjc.edu. From the home page, hover over the Getting Started toolbar, then select Admitted Students from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to view 7 steps for admitted students. Please note, these need to be completed in order before advancing to the next step. If at any point during this process you need assistance, please contact the admissions office at 815-280-2493 or email admissions@jjc.edu. This contact information is listed toward the top and on the right side of the page. Step 1. Within 24 to 72 hours after applying to the college, a MyJJC portal account is created for you. This is where students can view their class schedule, important dates and deadlines, and more. You'll need to look up your username and create a password before logging in. Step 2. Complete the new student presentation found through MyJJC. You will need to log in using your JJC email. We will come back to this important step in a minute. Steps 3 through 7 include high school transcript or equivalency record, college transcripts, placement testing, paying for classes, and finally, signing up for classes. In this final step, you will meet with your advisor to plan and register for your first semester at JJC. The bottom of the webpage also lists some additional information that may be useful during the registration process, as well as Frequently Asked Questions tab. After reading through all the steps carefully, you are now ready to log in to MyJJC to get started. Click on the MyJJC link either in Step 2 or under the Now That You Know What to Do heading. Once there, you'll find the presentation under the to-do list below. The new student presentation first asks you to watch a welcome video introducing you to the JJC campus and its many student services. Once you've completed this video, you can choose the purple arrow to advance to the next page. Please note, you won't be able to advance until each module is complete, and the arrow turns purple. Continue reading through the pages for each module until you've viewed all remaining modules. Are you a parent or supporter of a new JJC student? From the Admitted Students page, you can access the presentation from the section found below the 7 steps. This requires creating an account. You'll need to enter a personal email address to create your account. Please note, parents or supporters are unable to use any existing JJC email to set up an account. Only new students can access the presentation using a JJC email. Returning users will also access this page to log in. Congratulations! You've now reviewed the necessary steps needed to get your career at Joliet Junior College off to a smooth start. Remember, if at any point during this process you need assistance, please contact the admissions office at 815-280-2493 or email admissions@jjc.edu. For questions related specifically to the new student presentation or advising, please contact the Student Advising Center at 815-280-2673 or email academicadvising@jjc.edu. Thanks again for choosing JJC, and we look forward to seeing you on campus.